How do you build infrastructure that AI can operate? Let me show you Facets, a layered architecture designed from the ground up for the AI era. Let's start at the foundation. Layer 0 is the actual cloud infrastructure: AWS, GCP, Azure, Kubernetes clusters. Facets doesn't own this infrastructure. Instead, it connects through credentials to manage resources on any cloud you choose. This is the physical reality that everything else builds upon. Layer 1 is your native infrastructure as code tools: Terraform, Helm, and Open Tofu. These are the raw interaction tools, the lingua franca of cloud infrastructure. Facets doesn't replace them, it embraces them. This layer is about speaking the language that clouds understand. Layer 2 is where the magic of abstraction begins. This is capabilities, where we define contracts. Think of contracts as the input-output interfaces between modules. A Postgres module provides a connection string. A microservice module needs that connection string. Contracts wire them together automatically. And alongside contracts, we bake in compliance, RBAC enforcement, secrets injection, security policies. Ops teams define the constraints, and developers get a simple self-service menu. Layer 3 takes those capabilities and composes them into blueprints, intelligent architecture patterns. When you trigger a release, the Facets engine calculates all dependencies, injects secrets, generates the Terraform artifacts, and deploys to your cloud account. Blueprints eliminate glue code. No more separate config management for service discovery or credentials. It's all wired automatically. Layer 4 is the agentic layer, and this is where Praxis comes in. Praxis is an AI agent ecosystem built natively with Facets. It's not just about exposing tools through MCP, though it does that too. Praxis democratizes access to infrastructure. Engineers who aren't cloud experts can now provision, debug, and operate complex systems through natural conversation. And it enables collaboration. AI agents that understand your entire topology can correlate issues across services and work alongside your team in Slack, in your IDE, wherever you are. Finally, Layer 5, intelligent applications built on Praxis. We're building focused apps like AI SRE, Cloud Migration Agent, and more. These apps work on a specific use case and deliver value autonomously without users needing to steer the conversation. Take our incident responder. When an alert fires, it automatically investigates, correlates with recent releases, and surfaces the root cause. Or our migration assistant. Point it at your source cloud, and it builds a complete migration blueprint. These apps don't wait for instructions. They detect, investigate, and resolve. When you stack these layers together, you see the power of this architecture. Raw cloud at the bottom, native IaC Tools above it, then contracts and compliance creating abstraction, blueprints composing patterns, Praxis enabling AI native operations, and intelligent apps at the top delivering the experience. 3 key takeaways. First, abstraction power. Each layer simplifies the one above it, from raw Terraform to self-service menus. Second, this is AI native infrastructure. Praxis and the agent ecosystem are built from the ground up to democratize access and enable collaboration. And third, governance is a first-class citizen. Compliance and contracts are baked into every layer, not bolted on as an afterthought. From intent to infrastructure, in a single conversation.